Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door gasket in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to use a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door gasket. The refrigerator door gasket provides the airtight seal, preventing the warm air from getting inside the compartment. This refrigerator door gasket is located on the right side door. A bad seal could cause higher than normal temperature inside the compartment, longer running compressor time, and improper closing of the door. If you are experiencing any of these problems, check the door gasket and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the right side of the refrigerator door. Before we're going into the pulling out the old gasket, I would like to place a new one on the top of the old one and check if that's going to fit in there. Yep, that would be perfectly fine. To remove the gasket, I'm going to peel it off like that. Then I'm going to insert the flat blade screwdriver into the seam here and pry the gasket out. Now we can continue pulling it off. Make sure that the groove is all clean. Use the sponge and warm water to clean it off if it's needed. This is the old refrigerator door gasket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So there's a new door gasket. I'm going to place it on. So I'm going to install the gasket with this little flapper facing outside of the door. So now I'm going to install the gasket with this edge. We're going to install it right into this groove. Start with the corners. Press it in. You're going to feel that it just goes in. Now I'm going to install the bottom corners and the bottom portion. And then we can go up and the opposite side. All right, now we can close the door and see how the gasket fits in. I'm going to check the side. I'm going to check the top. And the bottom. All right, we've done a great job. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.